Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chevrolet Corvette wheels in Rocket League. We'll cover the easiest and most common way to add these stylish wheels to your garage. You'll learn where to look, what to expect, and how to stay ready for their appearance. Getting these wheels is straightforward once you know the process, so let's dive right into the details and get you rolling in style. The most direct way to get the Chevrolet Corvette wheels is through the in-game item shop. This shop updates regularly, often daily, with a selection of featured items. You'll need to keep an eye on it as these wheels appear periodically. When they do, you can purchase them directly using your Rocket League credits. Be sure to have enough credits saved up, typically around 700 to 800, so you're ready when they show up. While the item shop is primary, you might also find these wheels through player-to-player trading. Some players may have extra sets they are willing to trade. Additionally, there's a small chance you could receive a blueprint for the Corvette wheels after a match. If you get a blueprint, you can then craft the item using credits. Always be cautious when trading and only engage with reputable sources to avoid any issues. To maximize your chances, always keep a good amount of credits on hand. This way, you won't miss out if the wheels suddenly appear in the item shop. Joining online Rocket League trading communities can also alert you to their availability or potential trade offers. Remember, patience is key. Desirable items like the Corvette wheels don't always appear frequently. Stay persistent, and you'll eventually add them to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.